In this video, I will show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A15 doesn't want to charge or has any other charging problems. For example, maybe when you plug in your charger cable, it doesn't go all the way in, or maybe it easily falls out, or maybe when it's inside, if you touch the phone a bit, the charging basically stops. So there are usually two problems that can happen. First is obviously your charging cable can be worn out or bad. So if you got type C on both sides, you can check basically both sides if one is better or they are pretty much the same. If they are same, it's probably not the charger. I mean, if it's not completely charging, it might be still be the cable. But if it still falls out or it has trouble keeping charging on both sides, it's most probably the charger port that's at fault. So the easiest way to fix it is simply clean it, because there is most likely some lint from your pocket that's stuck inside, or some dust or debris or stuff like that. It's quite common, and they're not the only person, and these ports need to be cleaned from time to time. So first let's familiarize what's inside your port. So in this port, this is what basically looks like. So at the middle you got this connection strip, and there are small pins here. So I hope you can see inside. If you take a flashlight, you can probably see here as well. So you need to be very careful not to damage these small pins, otherwise you can damage your port while cleaning it. Okay, so we can obviously take a flashlight and shine inside the hole and see if there's anything obviously stuck. So if you got a good flashlight and you try to see it, you can most often see if there's something inside or it looks dirty inside. So it's probably the safest way how to clean it is by taking a brush like this. This is just like painter's brush or whatever size you got, as we'll only need to take like a few strands from it, like this. Take a few strands, I can simply insert these few strands inside the hole and brush it out basically while holding this phone like this. So brush it out. And also maybe if you got a high force air blower like this, you can insert this in the hole while holding the phone like this and obviously blow it in. It will also get a lot of junk out. Then finally, the most effective way to clean this port is using basically a tiny sewing needle. It needs to be extremely thin, as the hole is basically very small. But before we do that, make sure you turn off your phone so you don't short circuit anything. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, then the way we will clean it, we'll take basically our small needle. Again, it needs to be extremely tiny, the tiniest one you can get. So don't, if you only have a very thick needle, don't attempt this, because you can easily damage this. So what we are going to do is basically we are going to take this needle and we're going to simply scrape along this edge any junk out, and make sure you don't try to go through these contacts here. It's very easy to damage them, and it's quite possible that you will damage them if you're not careful, so be aware of that. Again, we're simply going to scrape this side, and don't try to go over this because there's not a lot of space here. So clean this side and clean this side basically. So again, be very careful. Maybe if you got a second person, he can hold the flashlight while you are basically cleaning the hole. So obviously hold your phone like that and insert the small needle, and again make sure it's you're cleaning against this edge. Don't try to take this needle near these connection ports, because again it's very easy to damage them or bend them or whatever, and if you do that, well, you're in huge trouble basically. So you can simply insert it and, well, do that. Obviously hold the phone like that so any junk falls out, and go on the back side again. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, it's not focusing correctly, but anyway, don't try to do this. Don't try to go over like this while holding the pin. Make sure you clean this top edge first, then take out needle and clean the bottom stuff while holding the phone and basically scraping it out like that. And again, we can take after that a brush or a blower and blow out any junk once more. So this is how you clean the Galaxy A15 port. So if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!